Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, engine block heater, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.